National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, western Franklin County, southeastern Roanoke County, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen since early this morning, with additional rainfall approaching the area. The expected rainfall rate at times will be 1 to 1.5 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boone's Mill, Copper Hill, Ferrum, Bent Mountain, Callaway, Check, Words. This includes the following streams and drainages: Back Creek, Booth Creek, Blackwater River, Beaver Dam Creek, and Brush Creek.